Do you feel connected to the universe? Okay. If yes, then this video is for you. There might be times in your life, okay, where you might feel that the universe, the divine, or whatever force that you believe in is trying to give you some message. Like now, I'm making this video, and there is a very beautiful sound of wind blowing outside my home. I can see a tree just moving, okay, and it gives me a very pleasant energy. So if you are very spiritual and you feel connected to things around you, there might be times where you feel like the world or the energies are trying to tell you something. For example, like you really desire something in your life. For example, you desire to travel to Italy, okay, and once you are thinking about that, you see something which is very much Italian. It appears in front of you, maybe a brand or something. Then that's your sign you should be going there or you will be going there. So things like this, okay, like you're thinking about something and you see 111, okay, that is the way how universe will communicate with you. So the message which I felt like taking up today is like, what is that the universe is trying to tell you right now when you're watching this video, okay. Next we'll see why you're seeing this message right now, and next we would see what you have been ignoring, okay. That's because of what you are not able to get that thing in your life which universe is trying to give you. And in the end, we'll pick one card wherein you'll see what you should do, okay, to align with the energies of the universe, so that you get what you deserve, what you desire, and you get what you have manifested and universe wants you to have it, okay. So that's the theme. So stay connected if you feel connected, and I'm sure if there's some message out for someone out there. See, can you hear the sound of wind? It's so calming, okay, and it's waiting for you, okay. So we are checking what is that, and you seeing this video is also a sign from universe, okay. So don't ignore it, okay. So let's see, shall we? Okay. So to start with, let's make some space out here. As I mentioned, first we'll check what is the message that universe is trying to give you, okay, right now. What is that the universe, the energies, the divine force, or whatever is that aura which you believe in it in, what is that they are trying to tell you? A time to give rather than take, okay. Okay, and this came out on its own. 10 of wands. So what is that the universe trying to tell you? One thing is for sure, okay, that you want something in your life very badly and you don't have it in your life right now, and you feel tired, you feel burdened, you feel like giving up on that thing. A time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. So what is the universe trying to tell you? What do I tell you here? That's for sure there is something in your life which you are not getting, which you want but which you are not getting. Yeah, I get it. The universe is telling you to give up on this thing. I rarely say these things in my video that you give up on something which you really want, but how the cards show up with the question is how you can interpret the feeling of that energy. So for now, sometimes things in life, universe, or whatever thing you believe in, they have bigger plans for you, okay. You work on things, they don't work. You keep working, they don't work. But sometimes you are meant to have better things than that, okay. So what I see now, I won't say it's pause. Universe is trying to tell you give up on that thing, on that idea for now. For now, no, you need to give up on it, okay? Because it's not meant for you. There is something much better which is meant for you to come in your life, okay? So you need to give up on this thing and you need to put your energy in something else. That we'll see in the end card, which will tell me what you should do to align with what universe is trying to tell you. So your first message here, what is the universe trying to tell you, is very simple. You need to give up on something which is not working in your life. Maybe it's your work, maybe it's your job, maybe it's your love life, maybe some idea you're working on, it's not working. So you need to give up because there is something else waiting for you. Till you release something, till you don't release something, you don't make space for something new to come, okay? So that's how it is. So that's what universe is trying to tell you for now. A time to give rather than take. That's what is your message of what universe is trying to tell you. And you have the 10 of wands. 10 of wands is the end of a very painful and not painful is 10 of, it's a end of a very heavy cycle in your life, wherein you are just frustrated and tired and you just want to give it up. And sometimes it's good to give up on things, because if you don't give up on old things, you will not get new things in your life, okay? Your life needs change, your life needs variety, your life always needs newness, okay? We are human being, we evolve in our life. What I liked 5 years ago, I don't like it now. Maybe I like something much better, or even if it's not much better, maybe I like something different, but that's more aligned with what I am right now. So that's how I see this. So you need to give up on something. That's what the universe is trying to tell you. Next, I will ask, why are you seeing this message now? Why are you seeing this message now? Why is that universe wants you to know this now? Conclusions are within reach, okay? Full moon in eclipse. See, it's an eclipse, okay? Full moons in eclipse are very disturbed energies, I would say, because if you have any time listened to my eclipse video, it's like eclipse are full moons, okay, wherein the moon goes from full to dark, okay, because it's eclipsed, and again it comes back to full when the eclipse ends. So the entire 28-day cycle, okay, of this moon phase happens within seconds or minutes. So the energy of eclipse is very heavy always. Eclipse force you to see things in your life which you are not ready, or which you don't want to see, and they move people, situation out of your life for your well-being, to align you for the things which you deserve. So that kind of destructive as well as constructive energy is there for eclipses. So why you're seeing this message now? Because you have the Chariot, okay, number 7, again the number of letting go of things, okay, but at the same time taking control back. Why you're seeing this message now is, I feel this thing which is not working, or which is bothering you, or which is not meant for you, is really making you very depressed, destructive, and destructive for yourself, and it is blocking your energy, okay, for the other things which you should have in your life. You see the color synchronicity, the orange and pink, and the orange and pink here. So universe is with you. You are a very spiritual soul, okay? You connect with the divine in a very different way. It's not always religious things which makes you connect to the God. It's also different things. You connect with nature, you connect with yourself. The most beautiful way to connect with God, that you connect with yourself, okay? So inside it has been bothering you, and it's been getting gathered like a volcano, okay, and which is about to erupt. And if it erupts, it will again take you back to a very older version of you, which is what the universe does not want you to do. So before that thing happens, it wants you to give up on that thing, okay? conclusions are within reach. It's about to erupt. It's about to make you feel, not give up, but give up on everything which you want. Okay, it's this thing is so important for you right now, but maybe your future self is planning something else for you. There is something else meant for you. So why you're seeing this now, you have the Chariot. Chariot is someone who takes back of the control, okay, of things in their life, and with control and with great speed, they move towards something which they want. It's the card of movement, moving towards something. But if one wheel of this chariot breaks, okay, then everything will go haywire. Okay, so that's what the universe does not want you to have. You will be approached, or you are approaching things, or things are approaching you with great speed, but with this thing which is not working, it's possible that you might go in some bad energy for yourself. Okay, and it might explode. So before that happens, give up on this peacefully and calmly and focus on the next thing, I would say. So that's your why you are seeing this message now, because the universe does not want you to lose hope in life. Okay, lose hope, lose desire, and lose the gist of wanting and living the things which you want in your life. Just one thing not happening will not control your life. That's what universe is trying to tell you. Next I asked is, what is, oh, not what, why you have been ignoring this. Okay, it's for sure this is thing which is happening since a long time, but you have been ignoring it. Why have you been ignoring it? And what's the energy around that thing? Okay, why it will not happen? Okay, I want to see that why it is not happening. As I mentioned, things don't happen because there are better things in life, but still I want to see why you have been ignoring it, or why the universe feels why it will not happen for you. It's time. You see, release. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. So why it is not happening? It's because it's not good for your energy, it's not good for your life, it's not good for your life path, it's not aligned with what you are, and it's not what is meant for you. I don't know what is meant for you, but this is not the thing which is meant for you. I had a Ace of Pentacles, but I wanted to take out an Ace of Wands. So why it, see the synchronicity. I mean, I just feel so beautifully this purple and the purple thing in this one. Why it is not happening? Because as I mentioned, it's not meant for you. Okay, and don't be sad, because you are meant for something which is more connected to your soul, body and heart. Okay, Ace of Wands is a thing. It's a beginning, a very passionate beginning about something which your soul desires, like, I just need it, it's mine. Okay, that kind of energy, and you do your best in all possible ways to get it. So why this thing is not happening? Okay, because it's time to release negativity. There was some balanced karma, or there was some lesson which you are meant to learn here, which you have learned. Okay, but still you are stuck with this thing. So that's the reason you need to give up on this thing. And why it's not happening? Because there's other beautiful thing which is meant for you. Ace of Wands. Okay, a very good beginning. Most of, I would say, this is love and passion. Okay, either it's love, relationship, or something in work or in life which you are very passionate about. Okay, so it's this thing, okay, which you feel now, but maybe there is something else which you should be doing, which is more aligned with your soul purpose, with your desires, with the future version of you. Because as I mentioned, something which I desire now, I want now, maybe after a year or 5 years I don't really like it. Okay, because maybe there is something else for me. So maybe that's the reason this is not working, and the universe is trying to make you work on thing which is very different, very unique, but very aligned to your purpose, which you don't know yet, but that is what will fulfill your soul's desire, your manifestation, and what you want in your life. Okay, so that's the why it is not happening, or why you have been ignoring this message. So the last and the most important thing, okay, we have the storyline ready. I want to know now what we need. We just can't keep listening, okay? Yeah. I'm listening to the message. I'm connecting with the universe. What the universe demands you, like it's 10 minutes, 10% of manifestation, or putting in your energies, aligning your energies, and it's 90% of work, okay, action, I would say, which you need to do to get that thing in life. You cannot get things in your life just by manifesting, or just by praying, or just by wanting. You need to do things in life. That's what the want energy is about, action. So the most important thing, okay, what is that the universe wants you to do, okay, what you should be doing to align with the thing which the universe is ready to give you right now. Okay, confidence is your key to success. Okay, again my beautiful Leo came out. My beautiful Leo. New moon in Leo. New moons again about new beginnings. Okay, so see, new moon, you can see what different kind of energies these two new moons have. This one is new moon in Virgo, a time to give rather than take. It's like giving your energy to different things which you still don't have, I would say. And this is new moon in Leo. Confidence is your key to success, which clearly talks about something is meant for you, it's waiting for you, and all you need to do is roar. Roar like a lion. So confidence is your key to success. That's your message. So what you should be doing to align with this thing: Ace of Cups. I need more clarity because this is very important. Two of Wands. Confidence is the key to success. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups for me is listen to your heart. First of all, listen to your heart. Come out of your comfort zone is the Two of Wands. Okay, see, this new thing which universe is trying to give you or will give you is something which you never even thought you can have it. Okay, it's much, you think, I mean, you think it's beyond your capacity, or something which someone much more capable will have. If it's love, I don't know. If there might be some much good looking or better person, okay, which is there. If it's job, it might be a job abroad, or it might be a job in a very good MNC company which you never thought you will get, but it's meant for you. And it's something, this thing which is there for you, which is not in your energy right now, and you even don't want it, or you don't desire it, because you think you cannot get it. But how you can align is, I see three things. Okay, first, the center is confidence is your key to success. If when once the universe will start giving you opportunities which are connected to this thing, things like wherein which you never thought it will happen in your life. Okay, like you travel abroad, you never thought you'll travel abroad, or maybe you meet your dream person who is exactly your dream person. Okay, the way they look, the way they talk, where they are. First, be confident, be in the energy of receiving that thing, that it's mine and I have it because it's mine. So be in that confident, roaring, passionate, fiery energy. First thing I would say. Second, I would say, what else does universe want you to do? So this is your heart. Okay, I would say this is not something which you do. Just keep your heart and emotions open, but it's not something action. I would see two things. First is you need to come out of your comfort zone. Okay, this thing which is waiting for you or meant for you, you will not get it easily. Okay, you cannot just, Two of Wands is something wherein you really desire something, but you cannot get that once you move out of this girl wants to travel. Okay, she has the globe and everything around, she's just looking out of the window. So you need to, but she cannot travel unless she moves out. Okay, she's ready with her baskets and everything. So what I see is, first is confidence, second is take action in terms of moving towards that thing. Okay, first would be like, if it's your person or something like that, maybe you need to take that first step. Okay, towards talking to them. Okay, if it's a dream job, you need to move out of your current start looking out. Okay, first of all, or start exploring opportunities which are away from where you are right now, which you thought will never happen. If you're planning to study abroad, start preparing for the exams or things which will take you to that thing. Okay, so think of that one thing now, I would say, which you really deep down in your heart you wanted, you always wanted, but you thought it's not in your how do you say, not capacity, it's much above your level. You thought that, but the universe does not think that that thing is not above to your level, it's meant for you. All you need to do is just rise your level and you can do that. So aligning is take action, movement, some action of moving towards that thing, and some concrete action, not from your mind. You move from your body, you move from your actions, like you do something. Next, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, once you take that action, that thing will take time. Okay, Ace of Pentacles is, this one is one of my favorite Ace of Pentacles. It again shows the moon phases. Okay, so it will take time, but what the universe wants you to have consistent efforts. Okay, this thing will take you away from your home, from your thing which you have right now. It will take you away from the person which you are right now, because you currently are not aligned with this thing, that's for sure. So Eight of Pentacles is trying to tell you, be consistent in your efforts, keep doing your hard work, and embrace this new version of yourself with a lot of confidence, because that's what is there for you, waiting for you. Okay. So that's what you should do. And one last card I'll take. I want to see what is this thing, okay, in your life. What is this thing? When I see, you just have thoughts while reading cards and then you take up other questions. The last thing I want to know is, what is this thing? Okay, is it your work? It's your love? Or what is this thing? What is this thing? It's family for most of you. It's love. It's love, relationship. 10 of Pentacles is a card of abundant love. It's a card of abundance in terms of wealth. Yeah, it's wealth. You living a very abundant life with your loved ones. You being very protective about this thing. Okay. King of Swords, very protective about this thing. So yeah, this is something. This is love, relationship, wealth, a content family life for you. And with the King of Swords, I would say that it is something which you will be very proud of, and you will protect it once you have it. Okay. The King of Swords and this new moon in Leo, they match perfectly with the energies which they have. Okay, so what is this thing? This is a fulfilled dream for you. Okay, it can be a new home with your family, it can be a new job, it can be traveling to a different location for work, or it can be building a family, or being with your person and creating your beautiful life. But something which you never expected you'll have, but you have it. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. That's a very beautiful thing, something which you never expected you have, and you have it. So the wind is still blowing. Okay, maybe in the end of the video I'll just pause and give you this thing of the wind which I see from my balcony, so that you understand